welcome to SHANVI'S world. Come explore my world of fun, games, activity, travel and food. Today we are going to explore a hidden waterfall in Thane city's Ghodbunder Road. Me and my dad did a short trek to reach that amazing waterfall. So let's see how we reached that place and how we enjoyed the greenery and waterfall experience. I started to note down the route of our trek in case we get lost. We were finding our own way to reach the waterfall. Oops! My dad nearly slipped while recording the video. We soon reached a river stream crossing and I decided to cross it on my own. It was so much fun to walk in the water by myself. Here you can see me doing a mini trek to reach the waterfall. As you can see, I was carrying a bag with me, important things like water bottle and some snacks. I was enjoying the trek and the sound of the waterfall was making me happier by every second. And here we are. We have reached our destination, the Chirma Devi Waterfall. Now I am about to get ready and enter into the water to enjoy this amazing waterfall. Sit back and listen to the sound of water gushing over the rocks. There are some pictures of me and my dad enjoying our time in the waterfall. Later we got hungry, so we decided to stop by at the Good Flippin' Burgers, located at Hiranandani Meadows, where I tried their curly french fries. And this is where our day trip ended. Hope you enjoyed my video. Press like if you did. Subscribe my channel and be the first ones to watch my next video. Until then, bye. See you soon.